In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Designer AI account, whether you're a design enthusiast eager to explore AI tools or just stepping into the world of Microsoft Designer. Setting up your account is a breeze. Let's walk through the process together and get you up and running in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Designer website. Once the homepage fully loads, you'll see a couple of options at the top right corner: Sign up or Sign in. If you're creating a new account, simply click on Sign up. But if you already have an account and need to access it, Sign in will be your go-to option. Today, we're focusing on creating a new account, so let's go ahead and click Sign up. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This will be the primary email associated with your Microsoft Designer account, so make sure it's one you frequently use and have access to. Type it into the designated field carefully to avoid any typos. This part is crucial for receiving important account notifications in the future. Now that you've entered your email, it's time to create a secure password. Choose a password that is both strong and memorable, utilizing a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Remember, your password is what keeps your account safe, so take your time and ensure it's not easily guessable. With your email and password ready to go, the next step is filling in some personal information. This includes your name, birth date, and the region you're signing up from. This information helps personalize your experience on Microsoft Designer and ensures that any content or updates you receive are relevant to you. Make sure you enter this information accurately before moving on. Following this, Microsoft will send you a verification email to the address you've provided. Head over to your inbox, find the email, and follow the instructions to verify your email address. This step is vital to confirm your identity and activate your new account, so don't skip it. After your email is verified, you'll need to review and accept the terms and conditions. This step outlines the guidelines for using Microsoft Designer's services and policies, so take a moment to read through them before agreeing. Once these steps are complete, you'll be automatically logged into your new account. From this point, you can dive right into exploring Microsoft Designer's features and tools. With your account set up, the creative possibilities are endless. Enjoy exploring and happy designing.